I see.
Yeah, you can take a look at some seconds maybe. What is it talking about? So here is about uh, AI that we call artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
Is this familiar in you, with you, or at school?
Yeah.
Do you use artificial intelligence at school?
Um, I'm not
AI?
learning AI at school, but I'm using like ChatGPT at home to like solving my um homeworks uh, or more. But I'm not like when the ChatGPT show the answer, I write it down on my notes. I'm not like that. I just
Mhm.
read and um using ChatGPT to explain more.
Yeah, to explain more and to give more resources. Okay, to
Mhm.
give more resources uh, to open up our mind to think for more resources from ChatGPT.
Yeah.
So all right, what do you think you can get from AI in today's era?
Uh, I thought AI was really smart. Um, they can show us anything that we ask for,
Mhm.
and like they show not just one, but like a several topics or point that might be connected to our question.
Yeah.
And I guess they're explained really well from like a smartphone.
Mhm.
So um it really great, but somehow it makes like a lot of people or young generation just felt lazy and just ask AI to do their homeworks or
Yeah, I
like
see.
exercises, but not 100% correct. So just I felt 50-50 about it.
Okay. You told me that you have used AI, or we call artificial intelligence, in
Mhm.
your learning process, right? In your learning process.
Yeah.
So, is this terminology is popular in your school? Have all students, majority of students have used AI in their learning process?
Mm, I don't think so, but I guess they all know AI.
Yeah, everybody has known AI because uh,
Hmm.
this this one has been introduced at school, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you very much. And now let's try to brainstorm words connected with AI, or that we call artificial intelligence. We know that artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that enables computers and machines to simulate human learning, comprehension, problem solving, decision making, and creativity and
Mhm.
autonomy. So what I really love about AI is that it is so sophisticated application that I have found all of my life. Yeah, I have seen Google and I have used Google. I have used other applications, and
Mm.
after I've used AI, I found it very sophisticated, very helpful.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, this is a very trending app that is being used by business women and businessmen are doing today's, and especially for the autonomy. We can learn more autonomously at home, independently at home. So even without the
Mm.
help of a teacher, even without of the help of a teacher, we can still learn independently at home by using this
Yeah.
artificial intelligence, and especially to improve your English, of course. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So have you used ChatGPT, for example, to improve your English?
Um, I ever tried to like talk or communicate it with ChatGPT with
Mm-hmm.
in English.
English, yeah.
Um, but I guess I just started like last week and I'm not um um continuing now because I'm still busy with my final exam, but
Yeah.
hopefully, in the future when I'm having a free time, I could chat with ChatGPT to improve my English.
Yeah, that's right. I also recommend you to improve your English, especially your listening skill. Okay,
Mm,
your listening skill. Yeah, I know it's different with us face-to-face communication. We can switch
yeah.
every topic to another topic, and because this
Mm,
is real communication, that's really different with AI. Because the AI is not really human. It's something like a machine, right? It's a machine bot
mm,
that really uh, collects a lot of data, big data in the system, and they can suit the information based on what we are asking them to do. So it is based on database, and they have also a messaging bot which can respond everything that we ask them to do. Okay. But overall about AI, especially ChatGPT, I really recommend you to use ChatGPT, especially to improve your speaking and to improve your listening skill.
yeah.
Okay. Why? Because I also have used ChatGPT and I like the voice of the speaker. That is really awesome and really very real human. Okay. It's
Mm,
like real human in that machine. And I tried to give some questions and he could respond everything what I am
mm,
searching on ChatGPT. So when you have free time in the future and you would like to improve your speaking skill, your pronunciation, and your fluency and your listening skill, you can use the Chat GPT. Okay. Yeah. Well, based on the picture, what words can you? Let's try to brainstorm about this picture. What vocabularies can you take out? Can you create from these pictures?
um, robots,
Yeah, robots.
uh, intelligence,
Mhm.
smart,
Smart.
um, probably the future,
Yeah, the futuristic. Yeah,
and technology.
technology. Yeah, yeah. That's awesome. Maybe some words that we can describe about this picture is yeah, robots and robotic, futuristic, smart, intelligent, brilliant. Maybe machine. Okay,
Mm,
machine bot. And maybe discussion and uh sophisticated and smart people in the picture. Okay.
mhm.
Well, you have been able to describe what we are looking at the presentation, and now let's go further to a reading section.
Okay.
We're going to learn reading section from the risks and benefits, the potential of AI, or we call risks and benefits.
Mm,
Read the sentences and decide whether they are benefits or risks. I want you please to read the item number one, and maybe we can take turn. You read the item number one, and I'll read the number two.
okay. AI and automation will lead the huge job losses in many industries. Unemployment will go up, and this will increase poverty around the world.
Okay, I go on. An increase in AI-based surveillance systems will lead to a loss of personal privacy and freedoms.
AI will improve healthcare by providing early diagnosis and personalized treatment plans at greatly reduced cost.
AI will be designed to follow ethical frameworks that reduce human biases and make decisions that are based on the greater good for more people.
Cheap open source AI solutions will give more people access to powerful technology, leading to global development and reduce inequalities.
AI will become a powerful tool for artists and enhance their creativity and help them offer new forms of expression.
A few super rich tech companies will own all AI products. These companies will become so powerful, so they will control countries and governments.
AI generated photos or videos will be able to take a person's image and create false content that appears to show the person doing or saying something they have never actually done. Yeah. So, of course, by using AI, there are some risks, or we call disadvantages, and there are
Mm,
also advantages of using AI,
yeah.
especially for the future generation of career and work, right?
Mm,
We know that everything can be done by using AI, and it it will have a lot of impacts for human career for us,
yeah.
for example. So let's try to comprehend. Let's try to comprehend or understand uh, whether every statement is a risk or benefit of using AI. But
Mm,
before we decide if it is a risk or benefit, if you have some questions related with vocabularies, you can
yeah.
brainstorm. You can ask.
Okay.
You know all the words.
Um, for the second number, surveillance system. What is that?
Okay. Surveillance systems. An increase in AI-based surveillance systems will lead to a loss of personal privacy and freedoms. Okay, surveillance is like in bahasa pengawasan. Okay,
Okay.
in bahasa we say pengawasan. Yeah, yeah. I find here some vocabularies. So
Mm,
surveillance is something like pengawasan, and bias is anggapan or assumption. Okay,
mm, mm,
the bias from human, anggapan or asumsi atau prasangka. Surveillance is pengawasan, frameworks, kerangka kerja, inequality, ketidaksamaan, not equal. Okay,
mm,
inequality. Simulate is menirukan, to simulate, something like simulation. You have a
mm,
simulation exam at school, so you follow like the real examination. Okay, and autonomy is kemandirian that we call independence. Okay,
mm. Okay.
autonomy is noun and autonomous is adjective. So something like everything is autonomous for every student because they can learn at home. Okay, next chatbot. Look at this chatbot is program that is designed to communicate with people through text or voice commands in a way that mimics human to human conversation. We call it chatbot. Chatbot. Okay,
Mm,
a machine that really answers everything that we ask. And then bias is assumptions made by a model that simplify the process of learning to do its assigned tasks. Most supervised machine learning models perform better with low bias as the assumptions can negatively affect results. So we call it the bias. Algorithm. We also find algorithm in this language, a set of rules that a machine can follow to learn how to do a task. Okay, so there is
mm,
algorithm of that company to run or to regulate the task. And then machine translation is the translation of text by an algorithm or independent of any human involvement. So it means that
mm.
it is not supervised by human. Okay. It is not supervised. It is not controlled by human, but it is controlled by machine.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So these are some vocabularies to help you understand more in reading section, because in reading section, we will find a lot of vocabularies that will
Mm.
help us understand. Okay. So we're going back to our first session. Now, I want you to decide whether these statements are risks or benefits of AI. Okay, read the sentences and decide whether they are benefits or risks. What do you think about number one? AI and
Um,
automation will lead to huge job losses in many industries. Unemployment will go up, and this will increase poverty around the world.
it is risk.
Risk, yeah. I think it is risk. Why do you say that it is a risk of AI?
Because AI will dominate like or um when to like a person position in a job. So
Hmm?
I guess it was a concern, a condition in the future because I guess there are a lot of unemployment in the future
Yeah.
and a lot of people who lost their job.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. There will be many unemployed people in the future with the
Mhm.
existence of AI. So that is one of the risk of AI. And many people have been concerned about that. Yeah. The
Yeah.
company will be much richer, while some people will be much poorer because people
Mhm.
have used AI in their working system. Okay. Next, number two. And an increase in AI-based surveillance systems will lead to a loss of personal privacy and freedoms.
Mm, I actually don't know about the second sentence.
Mhm.
Um,
Okay, which one
could
you
you
don't
just
understand?
explain it for me? Yeah.
Okay, let me explain.
Yeah.
An increase in AI-based surveillance systems will lead to a loss of personal privacy. It means that the system of the AI will steal the data of people, something like that. Will steal the data of
Mm-mm.
our accounts. Maybe from our accounts, they will steal it and
Mm.
they can use it for their own business. Okay,
Mm.
that we call personal privacy. So our privacy is accessible to the company,
Yeah, yeah.
and it makes our freedom is limited. Okay, so we are not free because they have controlled everything we have been done through the
Mm.
data, the personal data that we have sent to that company, something like that.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Have you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you
So,
think?
I guess it is a risk because
Yeah.
I guess it really dangerous for us because, like we um submit our data
Hmm?
um in AI or in our phone, like a password or email, so they could know our data more. And I guess our privacy is something like a dangerous position.
Yeah, dangerous position. Yeah, because our data is more accessible and not, yeah, public. They can use our data for their own business for their own
Mm.
sake. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I agree with you that that this statement is a kind of risk, okay, because
Mm.
of our personal privacy. While everybody has their own right for their